Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable or enable disk write caching in Windows 10. Type Device Manager in search bar. Click Device Manager. Click Disk Drives. Click Properties. Click Policies tab. Click Quick Removal. This policy disables write caching on the device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.